In the name of Allah, the most merciful and the most beneficent. Assalamu alaikum 5 class. I hope all of you will be fine. Today we discuss about Unit 9. Its topic is patriotism. Dear students, first of all we discuss about learning outcomes of Unit 9 Part 2. Create a short poem using rhyming words on a given topic. Recognize alphabetical arrangement of words in a glossary or a dictionary. Locate an entry word in a glossary or a dictionary. Recognize that pronouns agree with their nouns in gender and number. Illustrate the use of can, cannot, and may not to express permission, prohibition, and doubt. Identify and use simple adverbs of place. Recognize and use the full stop with some abbreviations. Write the central idea of a given poem in simple language. List rhyming words and write a poem based on the same central idea. Dear student, the first activity is read the lesson again and fill in the blanks with the correct options. Students, आपने पोएम को अगेन रीड करना है और इसके मुताबिक आपने इन फिल इन द ब्लैंक्स को कंप्लीट करना है. डैश कैन नॉट मेक पीपल ग्रेट एंड स्ट्रॉन्ग. गोल्ड. डैश मैन वर्क वाइल अदर्स स्लीप. ब्रेव. द मैन हु डेयर वाइल अदर्स डैश फ्लाई. Great men lift the nation to the dash sky. Only dash can make a nation strong. Man. Students, solve this activity on your book. Act 2, analytical reading. Read the biography of the Quaid-e-Azam and list down his 5 qualities in your notebook. Dear students, study your page and write 5 qualities of Quaid-e-Azam. Quaid-e-Azam was an honest man. He was a brave man. He was a loyal. He was a steadfast man. He had love for humanity. Dear student, now we discuss Act C, language focus, vocabulary building. Read the given words with their meanings. Honor, इज्जत, great respect for somebody, suffer, बर्दाश्त करना, to be badly affected by a disease. Dare, जुर्रत, to be brave enough to do something. Strength, ताकत, the quality of being brave. Nation, कौम, people of a country. Writing a poem. Write a poem on the topic my country with the help of the given rhyming words. Students, ये आपके पास कुछ rhyming words हैं जैसे land, stand, dream, stream, day, way. इन राइमिंग वर्ड्स को यूज़ करते हुए आपने एक पोएम क्रिएट करनी है जिसका टॉपिक है माई कंट्री. स्टूडेंट, दिस इज़ अ पोएम माई कंट्री. Who knew that day of 14th of August will tell the world in a way that both East and West would come to know that their stand. A country named Pakistan, a lovely place with scared lands, and a home for a Musliman, a guy's effort, a poet's dream, and a struggle of a human flood, a new beginning beyond a stream filled with the Muslim blood. Student, we create this poem by using rhyming words day, way, stands, land, dream, stream. Students, write this poem on your notebook and you can create a poem by using these rhyming words. Dear student, now we discuss entry word. An entry word is the form of a word in a dictionary under which its meanings, spelling, etc. are grouped. Look at the given page of a dictionary and notice the use of alphabetical arrangement of words. Also notice the use of the entry word. Student, हम किसी भी difficult word का मीनिंग फाइंड करने के लिए हम डिक्शनरी का यूज़ करते हैं और ये डिक्शनरी जो है ये अल्फ़ाबेटिकल ऑर्डर में अरेंज की होती है और इसमें जैसे कि ये तमाम वर्ड्स हम देखें तमाम वर्ड्स जो है वो ऐसे स्टार्ट हैं मगर इन्हें अल्फ़ाबेटिकली किया गया है. जैसे एस के बाद जो अल्फ़ाबेटिकल ऑर्डर आ रहा है वो है ए, ठीक है, तो इसलिए ए जो है वो हमारी डिक्शनरी में सबसे पहले आता है। अब उसके बाद जो स्लीप वर्ड है, इसमें जो सेकंड लेटर है वो एल है, तो एल जो है वो अल्फ़ाबेटिकली अरेंज करते हुए सेकंड नंबर पे है। एंड स्टैंड में टी जो है अल्फ़ाबेटिकल ऑर्डर पर थर्ड नंबर पर है। दीज वर्ड्स आर अरेंज्ड इन अल्फ़ाबेटिकल ऑर्डर। इन दिस डिक्शनरी आल्सो मेंशन दैट पार्ट्स ऑफ स्पीच, यानी से कौन सा पार्ट ऑफ स्पीच है, इसमें सेलिबल्स कितने हैं, इसकी प्रोनाउंसिएशन कैसे है कि हमने इसको रीड कैसे करना है, और इसका मीनिंग क्या है। डिक्शनरी से हम तमाम चीज़ों को सर्च करते हैं, इसके अंदर एंटर करते हैं और इसके थ्रू हम इसका मीनिंग, इसकी प्रोनाउंसिएशन, इसके सेलिबल्स और इसकी पार्ट ऑफ स्पीच भी जान सकते हैं। एक्ट 2 लर्निंग टू स्पेल, फिल इन द मिसिंग लेटर्स टू कंप्लीट द वर्ड्स। स्टूडेंट हमने इन वर्ड्स में मिसिंग लेटर को राइट करते हुए अपने वर्ड को कंप्लीट करना है। द फर्स्ट वर्ड इज़ ऑनर, इन द वर्ड द लेटर एच आर मिसिंग, पिलर्स ए मिसिंग, ब्रेव लेटर वी मिसिंग, सफ़र, बिल्ड। स्टूडेंट सॉल्व दिस एक्टिविटी ऑन योर बुक। Dear student, now we discuss Act 3 Grammar, Pronouns, Antecedent, Agreement. A pronoun must agree with the antecedent in number and gender. A plural pronoun replace a plural noun. जो plural noun होते हैं उनकी जगह plural pronoun यूज़ होते हैं. A singular pronoun replace a singular noun. Singular noun की जगह पर singular pronoun यूज़ होते हैं. A masculine pronoun replaces a masculine noun and a feminine pronoun replaces a feminine noun. Read the given sentences and notice the use of pronoun antecedent agreement. I bought a book about Pakistan. Book is a singular noun and we use it. It is very interesting. Pakistani soldiers are brave. Soldiers are plural noun, so we use plural pronoun. They protect us. Ahmed is my neighbor. Ahmed is a singular masculine, so we use pronoun singular pronoun. He is a good man. My mother is very caring. Mother is a singular feminine, so we use singular pronoun. She loves us. Act 2 fill in the blanks with correct pronouns to complete these sentences. Sarah completed dash work her. Ali left dash keys in his house his. They worked hard to make dash nation strong there. Look at the apples. Let's go pick dash them. They drank coffee even though dash was cool. It. Students solve this activity on your book. Be, do and have as helping verbs negative form. Be, do और have ये helping verbs हैं, इनको हमने negative forms में यूज़ करना है. Means हमने इनको not लगा के इसको नेगेटिव फॉर्म में यूज़ करना है. वी यूज़ नॉट विद बी, डू एंड हैव एज हेल्पिंग वर्ब्स टू शो देयर नेगेटिव फॉर्म्स. रीड द गिवन सेंटेंसेस. बी फॉर्म्स आर इंक्लूडेड इज, आर, एम, was. And we use not with be forms and make negative forms. Rafi is not studying. The ants are not eating. It was not raining. Do forms do, does, did. These are the do form and we use not with do, does and did and make negative sentences. Do form. He does not work. She did not like spicy food. We don't practice yoga. Have forms. Have forms are included has, have, had. And we use not with the have, has and had and make negative sentences. He has not invited us. They have not decided to go out. We had not completed our work. Dear student, now we discuss use of can, cannot, may and may not. Teach me modal verbs. Add to the meaning of main verbs. They are used to express ability, possibility, ask permission, express doubt, and for prohibition. Ali can speak different languages to show the ability to do something. We use can in this sentence to show the ability to do something. Can we go home now? In this sentence, can are used to ask permission. This news can't be true. In this sentence, can't used to show that something is impossible. Read the given sentences and notice the use of may and may not. He may join Pakistan Army. In this sentence, may are used to show possibility. May I come in, sir? In this sentence, may are used to ask permission. There may not be many people. In this sentence, may are used to express doubt. You may not borrow the car until you learn driving. In this sentence, may are used to express prohibition. Write two sentences with can, cannot, may, and may not each. Students, study your page and make sentences with the use of can, cannot, may, and may not. Can, he can swim in the pool. Can I ask a question, sir? Cannot, he cannot go to school because he is ill. She cannot sing a song. May I read this storybook? Ali may drive a car. May not, you may not take photographs in the college. He may not run this business until he has an experience. Dear student, now we discuss adverbs of time and place. Adverbs of time not only tell us when an action happened but also for how long and how often. Adverbs of place tell us where the action is done. एडवर्ब ऑफ टाइम हमें ये बताता है कि कोई भी एक्शन जो है वो कब हुआ है, कितनी देर तक हुआ है और इसके टाइम भी बताता है. एडवर्ब ऑफ प्लेस हमें उसकी जगह बताता है जहाँ पर वो एक्शन हो रहा है. रीड द गिवन सेंटेंसेस एंड नोटिस द यूज़ ऑफ एडवर्ब ऑफ टाइम एंड प्लेस. स्टूडेंट, हम इन सेंटेंसेस को रीड करेंगे और इसमें एडवर्ब ऑफ टाइम और प्लेस को नोटिस करेंगे. उमर विल कॉल यू लेटर. Later is adverb of time. He is putting his toys inside the box. Inside is adverb of place. I saw Sana today. Today is adverbs of time. Sarah lives near the school. Near is the adverb of place. Please sit here. In this sentence, the word here is adverb of place. Use the given adverbs of place in your sentences in your notebook. Dear students, study your page and make sentences by using adverb of place. Word sentences. There are many flowers in the garden. Far, my house is far from school. East, the city school is in the east. Downstairs, he is going downstairs. Away, our house is away from the road. Dear student, now we discuss full stop with abbreviations. We use a full stop in some abbreviations. कुछ words की abbreviation के लिए हम full stop का use करते हैं. Read the given abbreviations full form and notice the use of the full stop. Captain. We use full stop in the next of T and we read kept. Debt, department. Government. LTD, limited. Approx, approximately. This is the abbreviation and this is the full form. Write 5 more abbreviations with full stop in your notebook. Student, read your page and write 5 words with abbreviation. The abbreviation of doctor is Mr. Education, figure, venue. The next act is Act D, writing, learning to write. Read the central idea of the poem. The poet tells us about the secret of a nation's success, which is its manpower. Good people are more important than gold and jewels. The people who make their nation strong are great and selfless. They fight for the truth and honor of their nation. They are the brave people who face all challenges. If a nation has such people, then no one can stop this nation from making progress and getting strong. Basically, this is the central idea of the poem Nation Strength. Act 2, read the given poem and write its central idea in your own words. स्टूडेंट आपने इस पोएम को राइमिंग स्टाइल में रीड करना है और इसका सेंट्रल आइडिया अपनी नोटबुक पे राइट करना है. Others might have forgotten, but never can I, that the flag of my country falls very high because of the efforts put in by them, my mothers, my sister, and those great men who laid down their lives for a just cause and showed it to the world that Pakistan it was. This poem is written by Dr. Tafazzal. Dear student, read your page and write the central idea of the poem My Flag. The poet says that I cannot forget that Pakistan came into being by the efforts of my mother, sisters, and those great men who laid down their lives, and only because of their struggle and sacrifice, the flag of Pakistan is flying high. Dear student, the discussion of Unit 9 Part 2 completed, and this is your home task. Creative writing. Write what you want to be when you grow up so you can serve your country. Why do you want to do it? स्टूडेंट आपने अपने बारे में लिखना है कि जब आप बड़े होंगे तो आप अपने मुल्क के लिए क्या खिदमत कर सकते हैं, और अगर आप कोई भी खिदमत करेंगे तो इसकी वजह बतानी है कि आप ऐसा क्यों चाहते हैं. तो इसी तरह आपने इस क्रिएटिव राइटिंग को आपने ऐसे राइट करना है. Dear students, after completing this unit, I hope you will be able to recite poems, read simple key legend words, read tables and charts, recognize and use cortical directions, create a short poem using rhyming words, recognize alphabetical arrangement of words, locate an entry word in a glossary or a dictionary, recognize that pronouns agree with their nouns in gender and number, illustrate the use of can, cannot, may not, identify and use simple adverbs of place, recognize and use the full stop with some abbreviation, write the central idea of a given poem, list rhyming words and write a poem based on the same central idea. Dear student, read this poem in rhyming style and do the written practice of dictation. Read and learn the all activities and do the written practice of word sentences and question answer. Take care and Allah Hafiz.